GW Trucks and Family First, we offer paint correction, polishing, shampooing, leather conditioning,
Look out below, look out below, look out below.
ceramic coating,
So look out below,
wax,
look out below,
hand and spray.
So look out below, look out below, look out below, look out below.
Anything involving to do with a car and a detailing, we can accommodate you for it.
Raised a soldier, my heart hard like a boulder. So much ice getting colder. There's so much weight on my shoulders. Push rappers out like a stroller.
Come on by.
If you give my heart, I'ma hold
4930 Spring Park Road.
I told you.
GW Trucks and Family First Mobile Detailing.
I'm gifted.
Y'all have a nice day.
Every pixie day, you already know my clothes, they were 3